Hello everyone, I'm Gayle from KOMATCO. We focus on construction machinery and vehicle export for 16 years and export to more than 120 countries. Today we are going to Luoyang Factory to visit the road roller. Okay, let's go! In road construction, rollers are used to contact the paved asphalt surface to make it stronger and smoother, thereby improving the durability and safety of the road. This is a hydraulical driven, medium to large, single steel wheel roller. Let's look at the engine. It uses a Cummins engine, and a national stage 2 engine can be also selected. Here is the cab. Look, the cab is spacious and comfortable. The working seat can be rotated to make the operation more flexible, and there is also air conditioning. The key point is that the cab has an overall rollover function, which is convenient for equipment inspection and maintenance. This machine is a star product and very popular in the market. If you want to know more details, please contact me. Okay, bye.